Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Another Saturday, another shave. Yes, the weekend is here and aren't we excited? And as you've seen by the thumbnail, I've got a good one lined up for you today guys. What we're going to be using today. Been waiting a long time for this. This is the longest it's ever taken the soap to get to me from PAA. I can think it must be from the top of my head 3 weeks plus. But there you go. Hotel Cecil. I've been looking forward to this now. Now I recognise that scent. I thought, I know that scent. Where do I know it from? And could not figure it out until I went on PAA's website there and checked it out. Here you go. It says, let's have a look. The scent profile: talc, which I get, cardamom, vanilla, I get, tonka bean, Kephalis, sandalwood, cedar, nutmeg, black pepper, oak wood and oak moss. Now, vanilla and nutmeg, they're the overriding scents that I get, and I was sniffing away and I'm thinking, what on earth? What is that? And then it came to me. Here it is. If you live in the UK, you will be familiar with that. Custard tart, or as we call them around here, an egg custard. And what it is, you make your custard or a sauce anglaise, the sweet creamy custard, egg, sugar, milk, cream, vanilla, the lot. You pour it into a short crust pastry, and then when it's cooled down, you sprinkle a little nutmeg on top, and that is what I get here from the Hotel Cecil. It smells like an egg custard. Oh, I don't know whether to shave with it or eat it. Not what I was expecting actually. I don't know what I was expecting. But absolutely beautiful, as always, just different to what I was expecting. And then look at that. Looks absolutely... Oh, I thought I'd seen something else then. There you go. That's that. So we've got that. We've got the matching splash. We've got some Polish balm, because it kind of matched, you know, with the colours and the green. As did the brush. Here we go. Check that out, look. Absolutely wonderful. Captain's Choice, 24mm. Oh, Mr. Bond, I love doing this, like stroking your cat in it, you know, like Blofeld. There you go. We're going to put that in the official John Shaves Super Soaker. Sun is shining, sky is blue, and it's the weekend. Oh yes, the razor. Here we go. We're going to go with this again. Backland Era. Don't think I got a fair crack of the whip from it the other day. I don't think it was the Era. I think it was the blade. I think that was a Duff blade. But I'm not going to go with Kai again. Christopher Thompson sent me these. Now I've used 0clocks, but I don't quite remember using these 0clocks. The black ones, super platinum ones. I might have done, I just do not remember them. But I thought we would use them today, because these blades are consistently smooth and sharp. No matter which colour ones I've used, they have consistently been smooth and sharp. There it is. Oh, what's that say? For best results, use Gillette series shaving gel. Yeah, okay. There we go. That's what it looks like. I'm looking forward to this. And we'll get that. See, I got it in there, and we'll get that on there. I can feel now it feels like a better blade already. But I like Kai, so I don't know what was going on with Kai. Let's get that. But do you know what? Yeah, it must have been a Duff blade, because all the issues have disappeared, and that's lined up perfectly. I'm thinking that was a Duff blade. So we'll wet the face and then we'll crack on. Oh, here we go. I haven't shaved since the Wednesday shave. Let's have a lean in there and show you. Can you see it? I'm going grey, you see, so I don't think the camera's picking it up anymore. But it's there. Here we go. I'm looking forward to this, guys. There you go. Straight in. Look at that. Look. Seconds. Look at it. Absolute. Oh, scent strength, I would put this, guys, at about a 5. And I think now I'm lathering it, it's jumped up a little bit, maybe to a 6. It's not as punch, it's not as strong as some of Doug's other offerings, but it is absolute superb. Absolute superb scent. And I'm looking forward. Wow. Slick too. I got it in CK6. Let's have a look. Oh yeah, look. Formula CK6. I don't know what happened with it. It just seemed to take an absolute age to get here. So much so to the point I've had to email Doug and Fran and say, you know, because I felt a bit bad emailing Doug and Fran because we'd ordered it like 3 weeks ago. But over here, the way the mailing system works, it's only the person that sent it can put in a query about where it is and why it's taking so long. So whereas we would quite happily just phone and say, listen, have you got our parcel, where is it, or whatever, we can't, they won't talk to us. It's got to be the person that sent it. I suppose it makes sense. But wow. Well, it's very, very slick. Very slick indeed. Here we go. Second crack of the whip with this era. You all excited? Are you looking forward to? Oh man, here we go. Right. Let's get this right. I tend normally to go on about there. Yeah, well, I can tell you straight away that feels better. Yeah. Yeah, that thing, I must have had a duff blade, guys. I must have had a duff blade. That feels much better, much smoother, much more efficient. So how is everybody doing? I think this Hotel Cecil came, I don't think it came today, it came a day or two ago. Or it might have been yesterday. All the days seem to gel into one, guys. I'm fixing the ceiling. I know it doesn't look like the bathroom's coming on, but it is. They left holes in the ceiling. Oh, and they've been an absolute nightmare trying to fix. We put sealant in and it's coming down proud. We're putting, what do you call it? Polyfiller, and the polyfiller's falling out. But it's all done now. So, it's got a little bit of sanding down left to do now with the walls. And then the painting can begin. Remember guys, no matter what you do, it's 99% preparation, 10% perspiration. I learnt that back in the day when I was an apprentice joiner. There you go. Here we go. So let me know what your shaves are. Let me know what your slurps are, your slurp of the day. I've had a cup of tea. When I've done this, I'm having a cup of coffee. And then later on, it's going to be Old Faithful. A slurp of the jam. I like that because I just sit and drink it all. And, you know, one glass will last me the whole night. But yeah, wow, what a difference. I mean, I don't know why I'm surprised. But it's still nice that you can use it and you get that different effect from a different blade. Yeah, so not the shave I had planned. I'm expecting something in the post now. I thought it might have come today, but it hasn't. I use this. And the other stuff may come on Wednesday, so we'll look forward to that. There you go. But yeah, isn't it good that I'm looking out now, I mean, for a start, the daylight, it's just so much brighter, so much lighter in the sun, and we're getting there, guys. We're moving away from the cold harshness of winter into the warmth. I don't really like the heat, but what I like about summer is the length of the days, you know, because there's nothing worse than going to work in the dark and coming home in the dark. That's one depressive feeling, that. But in summer, I come home from work and I can sit here 6, 7, sometimes 8 hours and it's still daylight, you know, and you just get so much done in that instance. Here we go. I just got a little bit of soap on my hands there. So this era, there's a little sleeve. See that, like a pimple or something there? I'm not counting that because no one else does. Surprising the number of people that cut themselves shaving and go, no, I'm not counting that as a pimple, as a spot. So I'm going to do it now. But you can see, can't you? That's my excuse. These blades are exceptional. I haven't really got a lot to talk about with you guys, I'll be honest with you. It's been bed, work, bed, work. And when I've got a few moments in between, filling, sanding. The trouble is, because we're going to paint these walls, that one behind me is okay. And the camera isn't picking it up, but that one and the ceiling are an absolute nightmare. Now, if you know anything about painting and decorating, you would know you're painting a wall. Every single blemish, every single lump, crack, everything, every hole that you've filled, everything will show up the minute you put that paint on, so you've got to get it spot on. So that's what I'm doing, taking my time and getting the finish right. Here we go, guys. Lather mittens for Kim. Look at that. Absolute flipping heck, look. Do you know what that is? I'll tell you exactly what that is, guys. Because it's mild, and I know it's mild, I'm pressing. I do it, I can't stop myself. My dad used to say I've got to touch like an elephant. I can't, I'm trying to stop myself from pressing on with the blade. Because it is mild, but it's efficient. But I do like to feel the blade, mate, I really do. But here we go. Wow, yeah, you can certainly feel it, can't you? There you go. Yeah, wow. That's pretty smooth. That's pretty smooth, and as you can see, I had a haircut. Oh my word, what is it with haircuts these days? I was in that chair for about 45 minutes. Because I got to a different barber's now, because the young lady that used to cut my hair, she's gone all female salon. It's not a man, it's just can't go there anymore. But this guy, these barbers, it's like they're trying to justify how much they charge you to cut your hair, you know. So we must spend so long on it. And the last that used to cut it, I'd quite literally be in and out in 4 minutes flat. These got 45 minutes I was sat in that chair. I felt like saying to him, mate, do you want to get a wriggle on? I've got to get off. But anyway, that's our shave. Here we go. The leaning, the Lancashire lean. Do you know the amount of private messages I get from beautiful young women that say, make sure you do that lean. There you go, look at that. We got that. And we got this here, that's a pimple as well. So I'm not having that either. But that, guys, that's very, very smooth. There was a little bit more growth on Saturday, but I think that was a duff blade. I really do think that was a duff blade. And here we go. We're gonna find out now. Now we get the answer. Come on, oh, get on there. Here we go. Look at that. Nothing. Not a sting. Absolutely nothing. Oh my word, that smells fantastic. And if you've noticed the ingredients in this, it says Cephalus. Don't you know what Cephalus is? It's, generally speaking, it's a synthetic woody scent, and it goes very well with florals. There you go. Now everybody's nose is different, isn't it? But I get that nutmeg and vanilla from this scent. Another winner from Doug and Fran. So please let me know what you think of today's shave, good and bad. I can take it. This big massive broad shoulder. Right, let me know what you think of the shave. Let me know what your shaves of the day are and your slurp of the day. There you go, and that's it. That's us. It's pretty decent. I was talking about the Turkish supermarket the other day. I got that in the Polish supermarket for £1, and it's pretty decent stuff, guys. All these minorities and communities is the word I'm looking for, springing up all over the place. Get in there, get in the shops, because they're bringing stuff over from home to make them feel at home, and they're bringing shaving stuff with them, aren't they? There you go. Look after yourself, guys, and look after each other. We're coming out of the darkness into the light, and I will see you on Saturday. No, I won't. I will see you on Wednesday, hopefully, for a special shave. I'll see you on Wednesday, guys. Look after yourselves. Bye.